Hindi niya nakita.
Sorry.
Look, you broke my car, man. Can you
Move up a little bit.
my light? I have to.
That's just a bump. We're raising up and
So you don't wanna go in insurance?
No.
Okay. Alright guys, ayan, nandito na. Saan lugar na to kaya?
Mississauga pa rin.
Nandito na ulit tayo sa Mississauga. Doon kanina, Toronto yon.
Rexdale.
Rexdale.
Oo, parang Toronto yan eh.
Dito tayo ngayon
Dapat
sa
tayo
Mississauga
pick
na.
up eh. Kaya mo siya.
Hindi.
Natrasan niya tayo eh.
Saktong-sakto pa naman. Na umatras siya, hindi. Oh.
Why
Guys.
you not looking?
looking from the guy there.
Hindi niya nakita.
Sorry.
Look, you broke my car, man. Can you
Move up a little
my
bit.
light? I have to go pick up food there.
Mhm.
Can you please move?
Oh.
I have to get your license.
Yung yours is the most damages.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah, yeah.
I got my camera here. You can't deny, right? It's your guys' fault. Yeah, but yeah, you can settle it here now.
Hang up kay.
May kadal na guys, send mo sa akin yung spot na yan. Send mo sa akin.
Sige kuya. Oo. Settle na lang kayo. Para may paggawa.
Settle na lang.
Anong damage niyang sa'yo?
Ito eh.
Titignan ko. Op, maatrasan mo pa ulit. Pilipino?
Ay,
Pilipino.
gawa mo sana yung ano ko, spot ko.
Ay, wala na. Kinuha na kuya. Sige. We will take that.
Pilipino ba kayo?
Pilipino? Thailand? Oh, okay.
Bây giờ em dịch tiếp cho.
Ano na lang?
Kunin mo muna natin
sige.
yung license.
Nakuha ko na dito. Yeah, just move it in there now. You can move probably.
Okay, put it over there. I get your license. I gotta get your insurance. I have to pick up food. I'm gonna go there. Yeah, move there and I will go there.
Ayan, ang damage sa'yo, kuya.
Yeah. Ewan ko kung kasi binibenta ko na nga ito eh. Binibili na ni Rick ito.
Ibenta mo na sa kanila. Baka gusto nilang ano.
Where did you honk a little bit?
Is this guy moving? Are you moving, sir? Okay, go ahead. Hold on. You have there's somebody in there. You don't wanna hit that thing to. You don't wanna hit that car. Dito ka na. Oh. Okay, go ahead.
What happened?
She just natrasan niya.
I don't know how much it gonna cost. I wanna do you a favor because this car is, I don't use this car. Lucky you didn't get my other car.
So dyan na lang kayo, kuya. O sige. Sige, trust mo.
Yeah, I think it's just a bumper. You raise up a little bit, that's it. I think we'll pay you cash.
You guys is just settle if you want. Then he's the driver, he's the owner.
Yeah.
You guys can settle how much you can pay or what,
So if you
whatever.
want here, you raise up a little bit. I think you only cost you like a couple $100. Opt in.
Hai thằng Khen nó đóng cửa luôn. Mai phải có thằng Khen.
So I think maybe you want here around $500 I think. Just fix it. And that's just a bump we're raising up and
So you don't wanna go in insurance?
No.
Okay. You don't wanna, because if you
You
go,
know, right?
yeah, if you go to insurance, it's gonna be cost you more, and
You know.
They just think
You know everyone.
your insurance monthly will high too, and also you're gonna get deduction in drivers. You know, we've been there. I'm a truck driver. He's a truck driver too.
em
You
đi
know.
kiếm chỗ nào đậu đi chứ đậu người ta ra không được nha. Đấy, có phải không lên park first.
Kunin mo yung contact nila.
Can I have your license?
làm Sudan
chạy vô
anh
đây
có
đi.
không? Ê,
Okay.
anh có làm Sudan anh đưa đi.
Yeah, because
My license.
I have to bring this to the shop.
Anh mua car, anh mua my car here.
Oh, kung hindi ayaw mong ipaano sa ano, kayo na lang mag-settle, sila naman magbabayad eh. Mas maganda na lang ganun.
Settle, yeah. Kasi if I go to the insurance, it's expensive.
It's expensive, yeah.
I gotta call my insurance, everything. I have my insurance.
Yeah, so
Can I get your insurance as well? Because if you wanna settle, then you call me and let me know. I can.
Okay,
I
I'll
have to
just,
call somebody. How much this gonna cost me, right?
Yeah, I think maybe a couple of $100.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get
I'll
him.
have usually the
I'm
guy
gonna
here.
give
I
him
can
an
go check.
estimate. My friend. So how much he's gonna tell me? So that way.
Mag-settle na lang kayo, wag nang padaanin sa insurance to.
Yeah.
Kasi mas malaki kasing gagastusin nila eh, itong
Yeah,
nakade-damage eh.
Yeah.
Mag-settle na lang sila.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Kahit ganyan lang yan, pero aabutin nito ng mga
Somebody hit me before. It cost me.
abutin din mga 450 o 650 yan, you know. Tapos yung downtime pa.
I sold this car already.
Oh, you selling this car already, kuya?
Yeah, I already sold it.
You wanna buy it? You could buy it.
No.
He is selling it. How much you selling your car?
This one, I was selling it to Rick very cheap.
Yung meron din naman kasi si kuya na ano yung, di ba meron kayong ano yung Mustang, yung na-drive na natin na ano magandang klaseng sasakyan.
Oh, I could,
Yeah, give me your number.
I could 647 784.
Giờ nó mua cái cát hả?
Then phải xe được cát được không? Này giữ xem.
Nếu lấy cát thì đi đợi nhà băng đốc trả nó cho xong.
647
784 5298.
And your name, sir?
Eric.
Eric.
Oh, shit, if I'm on the phone. Okay, that's the phone.
Okay.
You guys settle?
No,
Okay.
I'm gonna, cause since today is closed, I gotta go to his
Yeah.
shop.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell him, you know, how much he
Yeah,
to settle
yeah.
this with the people, because I don't wanna get through the insurance. It's
Yeah, I
cheap.
know.
Yeah.
It's gonna bad for me and him as well.
I know this
Not
one
only
is,
one.
this one is not a line. I don't.
Yeah, it just needs to be pushing.
No, this one here is not a line.
Oo.
I think him out, right?
Oo, katulad yan, ibang-iba talaga
This one
magkaiba ko.
is here.
Yeah.
Yan, minabend ng konti.
Because
A little bit, the bumper came down, yeah, maybe. Yeah, so.
Ayoko nang galawin, baka mamaya lalo masira kuya.
Just raise up that bumper and then be okay.
I will call you, okay?
Alright.
Yeah. So,
Okay, happy Easter there, sir. Okay, ma'am, okay?
Around here có have one guy Philippine auto here.
But we cannot do it right now. We have a family gathering. We cannot do it. We have our own. We have our own.
Easter, we have
Okay.
Easter dinner.
Yeah, we have our own.
Okay,
We have take it easy there now. Okay, we have our own party.
Your car,
Kuya Reggie have a own party. Don't think for now, okay?
Only scratch here.
No, scratch lang sa kanila, oh. Maliit lang. Don't think for now that what happened. You just do with your party, your family. That's not gonna, you know. Yeah.
No, no, Cosmo, it's okay.
It's just not cause our life to stop, you know. It's just
I know
fine.
my friend already bought this car.
Yeah.
He gonna come pick it up sometime, but
Okay.
you know, for now.
Yeah.
We're gonna, send it.
Malit lang sa kanya, gasgas sa kanya, oh.
Yeah.
Gasgas
You
yan.
know, you give him a mechanic, he go fix it like maybe
My,
under
my
that.
friend is over there, the second there.
Yeah, even here, mechanic down here.
He married with đúng rồi cái thằng người
If they can fix it for me, let them.
Yeah.
If you have friends, then yeah, you can call Kuya and then
Yeah.
they can check. But we cannot do it right
Maybe
now. We have a
if
family
it's too much, then
gathering.
I can lessen
Kuya has a family gathering.
maybe my friend is cheaper. I don't know.
Yeah, I know.
Alright.
Alright.
Yes, thank
Okay.
you.
Alright, have a blessed day, okay? Take it easy there now.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Sige. Taka kuya.
Sasara ko lang.
O sige kuya. At least kahit pa paano nag-settle silang dalawa, no? Hindi naman po pwedeng ngayon na agad-agad may mga party, may mga siyempre Easter Sunday nga, may mga gathering. Tama naman kasing may pagkakataon na ano.
Nawala yung ano ko?
Yo.
Yung listahan ko?
Hawak mo ka kanina. Nandyan sa likod. Parang inilagay mo rito sa likod. Nakita mo na? Dito.
Wala ba dyan?
Nalaglag sa... Oh, wala ba?
Wala ako eh.
Alam ko nakita yung dilaw ba?
Oo.
Meron ka listahan.
Meron naman listahan dyan. Kaya
But dito, baka naalo mo dyan sa ano,
no.
sa Litson. Okay.
Nawala yung listahan ko.
Well, hindi mo matandaan.
Baka nandito.
Doon pala, okay. Ayan guys. Alright, have a good day, okay? Happy Easter. Alright.
Oo, kaya importante rin yung busina eh.
At saka ano, hindi nila tinitignan sa likuran mo. Hindi mo kasalanan, hindi tinitingnan. Magbusina ka man o hindi, wala tayong problema. Stulit na.
Akala ko makikita niya bawas lang na ako.
Sige kuya, so sa palagay mo kuya, kapag kaya insurance ang titira niyan,
I-write off nila kung minsan. Sasabihin nila.
minsan
Mahal na yung parts niyan. Mas mahal pa yung parts sasabihin.
Oo. Eh tama
Kaya
rin
na
lang
lang
naman
yung
pala
value.
yung decision nilang ano.
Oh, yeah.
Ayaw rin naman nila kasing magbayad dagdag kasi.
Kaya tatas insurance nila.
Pero at least kahit paano nagkasundo na kayo.
Yeah, sabi ko lang na ano, I have to see how much babayaran ako ulit sa inyo ngayon, settle it now. No.
Oo, hindi pwede. Malay mo kung sakali man
Mas mahal
umabot
pa.
pa pala ng ano. Oh.
Exactly.
Magkano ba sinasabi? 200?
Sasabihin niya, couple hundred. Sabi ko, okay, dali mo, ikaw magdala, ikaw magpayos.
Ang importante, pagbalik, ayos na.
Yeah.
Oo.
Sabihin mo sa akin yung talya na sabihin mo, then I will go there, right?
Eh kung $50 no problem. At least importante tapos, di ba?
Kung sabihin niya $50, okay.
No problem, di
Problem
ba?
ba, paayos natin kasi I cannot run like that, pangit. Baka mahulog pa yan.
Oo, yun tama yun.
I'm
Kuya.
selling the car, right?
O, tsaka binibenta na ni kuya itong kotse. Magkano ba benta mo nito kuya?
2,000 lang eh.
2,000. Okay, tama?
Eh ngayon, tignan mo, bumagsak oh.
Nagkaroon ng aberya tuloy.
Oo.
Sabi ko nga sa kanya, bilhin nyo na lang eh.
Gas pa.
Ayun yung sasakyan nila oh. Walang halos damage yung sa kanila. Huwag mo nang galawin.
Hindi, baka mahulog. Kasi papaayos ko rin.
Oo, sabagay oh.
Malaking ano yan. Hindi mo basta-basta may balik yan eh.
Oo. Shit man. Ito ang problema oh. Nabangengi siya oh. Lumuwag eh.
Naurong ito, naurong. Naiurong niya, no?
Kasi nga na-push forward.
Nai-push forward.
Oh, kita mo itong mga ano rito, iba na yung mga ito, nagkakalasan na. Ay, balik nyo. Siyempre, umusog eh.
Buti na lang, hindi yung kotse kong isa.
Ay, oh, hindi
Palaging
mo.
na ano?
Tatanggalin mo na lang ito, matatanggal ito. Balik mo na lang pagka ano.
Para sa tubig yan, hindi maano. Ganyan mo.
Eh, yung makina, di mo pa binuksan, tiniktan natin yung makina.
Tinignan ko, okay.
Okay?
Nagsasara siya eh. Nagbubukas.
Okay.
Ano sa bar mo yan eh?
Yan. But at least kahit pa paano, nag-settle na kayo, no?
Yeah, okay.
Ayan guys, no, ayan, putulin na natin yung video vlog natin dito about dito sa banggaan nila kuya. At least tinatanggap naman nung kabilang party na silang may kasalanan. Ayan, isi-settle na lang daw to. Mas maigi na yun para mas mura ang babayaran nila dito sa insurance. Ayan. Guys, peace up. Ingat kayo sa pagmamaneho. Bye.
Lakai Tracker.